Hey, what's up, guys? I just got these wall sconce lights and I just want to do a review on them and let you know what I think about them. First thing, they were super easy to install. I think overall, I took them out of the box in a couple minutes. They came with the install kit, and from the time I got them out of the box to on the wall, in total it took maybe 10 to 15 minutes to put it together and everything. They look really nice and feel really nice. They have this warm yellow color and it has a remote. It has a Y for yellow and a W on here for white, so you can change what you want or what warmth you want. And it has a quick adjust 10% or 100% control there, so you can do that. One remote can control either one or both of them together, but it does come with two remotes. By default, when you turn it off and turn it back on, it always goes back to white, so you have to switch it back to yellow if you want that. I don't know if there's another way around that or not. But again, so I showed you it has the 10%, 100% dimmer. You can also use this plus or minus button on the remote to slowly dim and brighten it. It takes a lot. I think you click it a bunch of times. It's hard to get them both down. So, but for me, just using the 10% and the 100% works just fine. It also has timer buttons on here, so 15, 30, 60 minutes, and it has a 2, 4, and 3 hour timer. I haven't really used the timers yet, just the main stuff, the 10, 100, yellow, white. I'm going to show you about the install process real quick that I did. So I mentioned that it came with the hardware install kit. Basically just consists of a bracket and then a couple of screws and anchors. I didn't want to put holes in the wall, so I actually got just kind of some double-sided tape that will come off the wall if I ever decide to move them. So I just stuck that on there, and it's strong enough to hold these up, and that's why it happened so quick. So if I ever want to move these, I just peel the tape off and I can move them anywhere in the house. So that's really cool. And then to point out that these are rechargeable if you didn't remember or realize that. So it just has the USB-C recharge port here at the bottom. And if you don't have your remote or don't want to use your remote, you can also do this manually. There's this little button on the bottom here. So you can quick press to turn them. So it starts at white, then yellow, then off. If you hold the button, yeah, there you go. So if you press and hold it while you're on a color, it will dim and brighten again. So you can control it manually in the event that you do lose the remote. You get one remote per light, so you don't have to hang them in the same spot together. You can put them in different rooms or whatever and have separate remotes. But if you do like I did and want them together, one remote will turn both on and off. So really like that. It gives you options. So really, guys, they're really cool lights. They feel really nice, and they just add a really nice glow to my space here. So I like it. It looks really good. Definitely recommend it and think they're good lights.